What's up there, PlayBoi? What's up? What's up, PlayBoys? How's he doing? What's up, PlayBoys? What's up, PlayBoys? Had to go. I'm another one of the PlayBoys. I'm one of the PlayBoys. I know you haven't met me yet. I stepped out of the darkness and into the light. Have I got a list for you. Oh, have I got a list for you. We ain't just tossing peanuts to the peanut gallery either. Nah. We're doing so much more than that. What was that? Okay. I swear, if I was about to see him out there with that pellet gun, if he was gonna have that pellet gun, if he was out there with that pellet gun, done, PlayBoi, done. I'm sick of it. Anyway, I don't want to run out of time. Squirrel. Don't want to run out of time. I gotta tell you, PlayBoys. We gotta tell the PlayBoys. So, we're gonna see if you got me. Let's angle you up a little more. Pinkies up. Constitutional law scholar here. This constitutional law scholar here. I've been working hard for y'all. You don't need that. You don't need that. That's not what you need. This is words that no one understands. They don't even know what electronic devices, what communicable abilities means. Okay, PlayBoi. Okay, PlayBoi. Okay. They don't know. So, like I've told you before. The trifold. I'm sorry. Excuse me. The trifold has all the answers. It has all the answers. I had to get this. We don't need that either. All we need is the trifold. The glorious, indestructible trifold. You gotta buy your own. You gotta buy your own, PlayBoi. You gotta buy your own. Because this one's mine. Oh, the glory. The beauty. I'm almost not worthy enough. My inspiration, believe it or not, is that marked out. Yes. But this list, by no means am I putting them in a list from best orders. It's not that. That's not what's going on. I gotta go figure out what that was. Hold up, I got cats. That cat's fine. It's fine. Yeah, no, the cats, squirrels, skunks, possums. I got all kinds of critters here. Click that subscribe button. The button, the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Click the like button. Click all the buttons. This thing is driving me nuts in my eye. Okay, anyway. The trifold, the glorious trifold. We're gonna go through this. We're gonna go over this, PlayBoi. Going over it, PlayBoi. We're going over it, okay? Because yes, Schrodinger's cat dropped me down this rabbit hole, and I have still not been able to climb my way back out. So, the inspiration from a little channel called Legalized Drugs, changed his channel name to FRAUDitors Exposed. Okay, So we got Schrodinger's cat, and he had another channel called Schrodinger's Nation. And there's FRAUDitors Exposed. Team Skeptic, he's up there. Shit, goddamn hairball. There's another Delete Laws. Is with a capital Z on the end. Pretty cool person. They don't have as many subscribers, okay? Legalize, or Delete Laws. Delete Laws, the Chili dude's insane, PlayBoi, insane. Had to get away. Keeps talking about Kate this and Kate that, and it's always Kate. And he wakes up in the middle of the night, it's Kate this and Kate that and Kate. It's mafia. No. They are a soldier army gang. There's no fucking mafia. There's no mafia. Let me finish this list, alright? That's just a few. That's only a few. I'm not giving you just a couple like other channels would do. No. Honey, I'm going to give you all of them. FRAUDitor Finders. Here we go. There's, okay. FRAUDitor Trolls, another one. K-Far. Keeping It Criminal. Kick rocks. Tones Overthinks It. Degeneration Nation. Degenerate Watch. FRAUDitor News Network. Aztec Ninja FRAUDitor Hunter. Vilified Freedom. Unclean Hands. Unclean Hands. With the hand. Unclean Hands. Let me get this. Shut up, Scrub. Control Alt Delete Laws. Oh, this is the perfect name. Perfect channel name. It's so fucking brilliant. I love it. Control Alt Delete Laws. This is so funny. That's so funny. And there's this guy, Patrick Ott. Artie's Corporate Fiction. The Atheist Hammer. Effing Lawyers. Some of these people don't upload very much, and some of them haven't uploaded lately, but you can still find shit on their channel. Okay? I don't know what this other one. The effing lawyer is f.n.lawyer. Then there's this one that's ZB Studio, all one word. And there's Ragical, the Unhallowed Night with his awesome cow. The Plot Hole, The Triggered Limey, Dr. Dave, Peaky Blinder. Then we got Irish Demon, Brainy Beaver, Ham Banana, Familiar TV. Look at the clock. Hold up. Okay. We good. We good, PlayBoi. We good. Blue Bacon. Not the Brightest. That's another FRAUDitor troll channel. They got. It's another channel, and they got a whole lot of stupid on it. So it's good shit. Same stuff. These are all same stuff. Blackheart Knight. Mile High Geeks. That's dude. Lyle the Castro. My muse. Here, squirrel. Shut up. Alright, where are we? Custom OG. They ain't uploaded lately, but they still got shit. Mafia Troll Farm. A Marvel Girl. Laying Down the Law with Blue Bear. Fraud Finder. Proud American 1984. Ole Welch. Dummy Kruger. Oh god, that's such a good channel. Dummy Kruger. They're good. They're a good one, PlayBoi. They're good. Natalie Lawyer Chick. Hezekiah. Mark the Sarcastic Law Student. He's another law student. Another law student. Coded Friend .001 is the lowercase o and a lowercase o. They're not zeros. Don't be fooled. Hang on. Jesus. Here. Here. I hate that they need two. Cam. Free squirrely sweets. No. You're not seeing them. Alright. Alright. Code Blue Cam. Cops and Cons. Van Blind. Van Blind has another channel too. The Van Blind videos. Van Blind videos. Van Blind videos. It's Van Blind video. Bits and pieces. Bits and pieces. Is that Radical? Fraud Hunter is another one. Okay. Fraud Hunter. Fraud Hunter. Fraud Hunter. Takedown. Exposing frauditors. That's another channel. That's all one thing is. Takedown in the little bracket. Hey, don't be looking at my notes. I've told you before. Don't do it. Okay. Then we got according to Isa, facts are frauds, delete FRAUDitors, Debo's Nation, Merbeast, that's spelled with the MERB34ST. Then there's Script Cat, and Kenny Klein TV. Hey, it's Kenny Klein TV. And then there's the Frog. And there's Leland's Squirrels. Leland Squirrels. You heard of them? Have you heard of Leland Squirrels? They got the cute and fluffy. Yes, it's cute and fluffy. But yeah, no, the more connected we are, the more connected we are, the stronger we'll be. Yeah? The more connected we are, the stronger we'll all be. The reason their channels are so big is because everybody subscribes to everybody. And all these, I've listed like 40 different FRAUDitor Finders for you here. And if everybody subscribes to everybody, you know, there's more out there. When I said that, you know, the more of us that call these people out, the better. And then I found out there's all these other people, like, you know, FRAUDitor Finders. There's smaller channels here too, okay? And these people have spoke up, and I'm so proud. Regardless what your politics are, regardless where you take your stand, politics aside, religion aside, stick with the morals. What they're doing is wrong. It's wrong, PlayBoi. It's wrong. And the way Chili was yelling at people to donate money to bail other people out of jail so that they continue that harassment. No. 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 I don't smoke. But the trifold has all the answers. Has all the answers. And these are the answers today. Okay? These people, please rewind, watch through. Here's a list again. These people will help bridge the gap. These people will help bridge the gap. Okay? Politics aside, we are all human. We're human. I mean, well, some of us are superhuman. Okay? Some of us are superhuman. Some of us are superhuman cats. Some of us are superhuman, super unnecessary cats. But we could be pretty fucking necessary. And this list is necessary. Here, Team Skeptic story, everybody, all the Karens and how they blow up. Dude, there's some good stuff in these channels. There's some good stuff in these channels. And there's some people with some morals. There's people that are fed up with the FRAUDitors. There's people that are calling them out. They're standing up for themselves. They're standing up for the country they fought for. The country you swear you fought for, but yet you're fighting to show it to all the bad guys. You know what's going on in the world right now. Everybody must know by now. You must know by now. You must know by now. It's just, I'm sorry. I'm over here starting to run. It gets me going. My family asks me why I watch this shit anymore. I watch because it's real. It's what's really going on. I don't watch the boring FRAUDitors walking around. I watch the people in these lists. I watch them all. You can ask any of them. My comments are on those channels. They're there. Every last one of them. I might not be subscribed to every last one of them, but I mean, come on, you gotta admit, there's a lot of fucking people, and I'm already subbed to so many others. You know how it is. But, if my subs wound up going up, I would sub to all these channels. If all our subs started going up, and everybody subbed to everybody, we might all get somewhere, with our voices and our platforms and what we're trying to do and being heard, having more videos out there than what they do. When people want to go looking up this shit, what they find us. They find us. I mean, this squirrel, that was his tail. He was turning around. Oh, I don't even have my color rocker. I see you. I don't even know if I got that. Here. Let's try again. I lost the almond. Okay. It's fun, okay? And that's where I get my joy. I'm sorry if this thing is squeaky in my hand, okay? I don't have it on my new tripod. I had a new tripod. See? It's got 8 legs. It is an octopod. Look at it. It just grabbed me. This thing is mind of its own. Goddamn octopod. It had 8 legs. Did you see them all? It's crazy. What was that? Oh, I hope that ain't in the video. It is a really good friend. Oh, I didn't name it. I'm sorry, my bad. You want to see the cute and fluffy. Everybody wants to see the cute and fluffy, right? Yeah. I mean, isn't that why you're here? Ain't that why here? Ain't that why? That's why I'm here. I'm here for the cute and fluffy. Yep. Patchy Bear let me in. Oh, actually, no. I take it back. It wasn't Patchy Bear. No, Stripes was out there. Stripes was out there. He says he's like one of the PlayBoys here before, and he was okay leading me too. I feel like I got something in my eye. Maybe there was dust on these glasses. I don't know. Fuck you. These lines were expensive. Are you kidding me? Don't doubt me. What's the clock? Okay. We're good, squirrel. I am gonna hang up. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. I do gotta get the fuck out of here. I gotta get the fuck out of here. Yes. I wanted to say though, good morning and happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Good morning and happy Halloween. We're trick-or-treating, squirrels. Actually, it's Devil's Night, but I won't get this posted right away, so happy Halloween. We are standing. We're standing up, PlayBoi. Here we are, we're standing up. Looking for the squirrels. Any squirrels? Any right here, everyone? Did you see him that time? No shit. Shelly holds the camera down here and try to make himself look tall. Okay. I figured I'd let you know. Okay. Trick or treat, though. Trick or treat. That's the sign from TikTok. If you watched all that TikTok, at the end of it, it says Happy Trolloween. Yep. TTU, baby. Happy Trolloween. Yep. Alright. Yep. We're gonna get the fuck out of here. I wanted to go through that list with you. I wanted to tell you about all the FRAUDitor Finders because I have seen the light. I've stepped over from the dark side and into the light. Yes, I did, PlayBoi. Yes, I did. Yeah, this piece and it's been real. Get you the trifold. Well, I mean, don't get the real one. Yeah. But you gotta buy your own. Click that like button. Wait a minute. I never sang. Good morning, squirrel. Squirrely brigade. We don't stop. No. You keep the door shut. That happens sometimes. We don't stop. Feeding the squirrels. No, we don't stop. Not for the world. We don't stop. It's so damn cute. We don't stop. They'll get a lawsuit. Let's see, what's your name and badge number? Squirrel. Pay attention. No. I'm trying. Alright, I'm gonna grab you again. Okay, come here. Little bugger. Little greedy little bugger. They're so cute. That's a cat. That's the one that led me here, PlayBoi. That's the one. I wouldn't have got in if it wasn't for him. Hey, sweetheart. Click that like button if you like animals. Click the button. Click the button. those buttons. And use this finger to click the like button, and then use this finger to click the subscribe button. Okay? So you got two fingers. You got two fingers, and one clicks one button, and then one clicks the other button. Okay? You just click them. You click the like button and the subscribe button, and you say, Happy Halloween. Happy Trolloween. I was supposed to make some Halloween eggs, and it's Easter eggs that we make all orange, and then I use a black permanent marker, and I draw a little jack-o'-lantern face on them, and they're so cute. And I couldn't get them this year because they're $5 a dozen, and we couldn't, that's $10 if I bought two. That's $10, right? So, my daughter don't want to just dye like 4 of them. I told her if she wanted to make a TikTok out of dyeing just a couple, she could. She could. I don't care. You want to knock yourself out, do it. But, no, she wants to do like a bunch. Do it after. We'll see if the price goes down. I can go to the grocery store today. I woke up thinking today was Monday, and when I found it was Sunday, I was like, I still got a day of the weekend. I was so glad. I tried to wake my husband up. He's like, what the fuck's wrong with you? I still didn't take a hint then, and I thought he had to go to work. I'm like, fuck, I guess he ain't going to work. But then I looked at the calendar. I looked at the thing and thought, I knew it was Devil's Night. The calendar says it's Sunday. To be fair, though, I slept all day Saturday. I woke up and the sun was gone. The sun was gone, PlayBoi. It was gone. Then we had to go to the damn laundromat, and I found out that, I guess homeless people go there to sleep, and it's quite sad, but at least they've got somewhere they could go. There was just a couple of them. I'm sure if more people knew about it, I probably shouldn't make a TikTok about it, but I kind of recorded a little bit out there and got on my camera, so, I might just, I was frauding. I wasn't getting in nobody's face. I really wasn't auditing, really. Not really. There's no employees there or anything. All the info that was in the mall, I didn't get it on camera. Dude was sleeping. Okay? I was walking around back and forth, talking to the camera. Okay, really, was what I was doing. That's really what I was doing. It is too, that it was, no, I wasn't talking to anyone, I was talking to myself. Well, the YouTube. You wouldn't understand. The YouTube, I put you on YouTube. You guys are all over YouTube. Right? Right, PlayBoi? Right? Low cow. Low cow. Funny cow. Funny cow. What's the clock now? Okay. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. Okay? Don't be a dunce cat, though. I'm for real. Don't be a dunce cat. Look into these people. Click rewind. Go back through. And I'm telling you what. Okay? I'm telling you what. PlayBoi. Telling you what. Okay? Okay, PlayBoi. Okay? And The more connected we are, the stronger we'll all be. Okay? Okay, Playboy? Okay? And these are the people that have the morals. These are the people that they don't have the boring channels that's going to show you people walking around and harassing people and that's it, you know. And they look around, they look for things to complain about, these people. That's what they do. They look for things to complain about. I hope my audio doesn't mess up. One second, okay? 1 second. Don't forget about those buttons. 1 second. Hey, look, I changed the batteries in my Ghost. I changed the batteries. But I still have not glued the hat back on. Okay? I've got to do that. Hold on 1 second. Wait 1 second, Playboy. Alright. Now look. This is important, god damn it. It's important. It's important. It's important. It's important. Let me take care of this. Richard Lewis, quick. I gotta read this comment I made. I wrote this. I wrote this, okay? This is something I feel very strongly about, okay? Yep. If an assault is to make someone feel uncomfortable, right? Then, you know, I mean, those cameras definitely do that. They do that. They make the people feel uncomfortable. So why can't they should be able to shove them out of their face, right? Shove the person, shove the camera. Why do they think self-defense always has to involve a weapon? It doesn't. Real men use their fists, right? Right? Don't real men use fists when they fight, right? Isn't that what your dad teaches you when you're little? Don't pick up a gun, right? Right? Right, Playboy? Right? The gun don't make the man, so to speak. That's not in my comment. That's not in. Alright. But slapping the camera too. I mean, if it gets broke, shit, collateral damage, you know. And you shouldn't be making somebody feel that way. They saying it's assault. It's fucked up. 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 Alright. What else did I say here? Anyone can figure out how to shove a person or slap a camera out of their face, right? The harassment is quite clear when it's going on. Following a person out to their car and chasing them for their license plate just to further scare them after treating people the way that they do, it really should merit a broken camera. It really should. It really should. It really should, Playboy. It really should. And I don't know what that sounds. My camera could be done. I don't know. And is it running out of time? Shit, yeah. It's getting close. It's getting close, Playboy. It's getting close. And I've got these delicious, wonderful piles of squirrely goodness that I've got to dump out in the ledges. Yes, it's going to be great. It's going to be great. Oh yeah, that was my most recent comment on here. Well, not most recent. It is the one I hit the copy paste. And I wanted others to hear it. Because, yeah, shoving somebody out of your face, if they're making you feel like that with the camera, it shouldn't. They shouldn't even be able to try and file a lawsuit. Yeah, even if their camera gets broken or something. No. You try to sue the property you're on. You don't sue the person. You sue whatever property. Like if they push you and you stumble and you hit your head and something somewhere. That's really it's your own fault. And isn't that what people are advocating for? Isn't that what they're fighting for? They want to be left alone to hurt people, and they want anarchy. They want to be able to get away with crimes, and they should be okay with fights breaking out, right? They're probably okay with fights breaking out. I think they're okay. How alphas be fighting, right? Oh, well. Some alphas just claim they want to set up a fight, and then when come time for setting them up, that's when you gotta back out, right? Something's happened. That's how real alphas do. That's how real alphas do. That's how real alphas do. As soon as it comes to the moment, you gotta find something wrong. You gotta find a reason you can't be included. You can't participate. You can't fight anymore. You can't. You probably maybe even never could. Hell, I can't. Besides family, relatives, I've really only been in 2 fights. And, besides family and boyfriends. I really have been in 2 fights. And it was the same girl both times. The girl that lived right over, a few doors down. Yeah. We fought each other when we were older. Stupid kid stuff. I don't even remember why we fought the first time. I just know when we were down on the ground, her sister came up and kicked me in the head. And they tried to say she didn't, but dude, I saw her. Kelly, I saw you. Anyway, my audio's probably messed up. The PlayBois don't want to hear about my passion. The PlayBois are not here for that. If they were, they probably would have clicked subscribe by now. Look how many fucking people want to look up the chili stuff. I mean, come on. I'd have more people clicking on me if they did. And then YouTube hides me. That one new video that I got with the ghost hand. I swear to God, it's a fucking hand. There wasn't no one else in the room. There wasn't no room in between me and the mirror. There wasn't any other fucking light on except the one right above me. Right above the mirror. And I was right in front of the mirror. I was just looking at the damn the camera on here. It doesn't pause. Oh, software update. Would you think that maybe I meant would that update my camera? Would that update the camera? Look, okay. What? I know it's real. Alright. I don't know if you could see it. If I hit the video and I hit the record, look, I cannot pause it. There's nowhere to pause it. You hit this button and it doesn't do it. That button is zoom. See? And this button shuts it off. There is no pausing it. Oh my gosh, there's so much open in there. Oh, hush your face. Here, I'm coming, okay? If you want to keep jabbering, I'll throw you through the tripod at you or pop you with the popper. You want that? You want that? Huh? PlayBoi? What's your name and badge number, tyrant? Coward, get out of here. Wait a minute, why didn't I click the screenshot? Okay. This was it, PlayBoi. See that hand? Did you see the hand? I cut this part out. This is only 9 seconds of it. Do you see the hand? Look, there it went. The finger, that part that you saw right there, that was my finger in there. Right, look, watch. See the hand? Where'd that hand come from? Where'd that hand come from? Hold on. I don't know if you can see it right. Did you see the fingers? Yeah. This isn't just a scary story for Halloween, okay? This shit really happened to me. Okay, that's a hand. I don't see any other explanation. See the light above my mirror? This was in the middle of the night. Hubby was sleeping. Those motherfucking fingers, okay? Now, I'll show you one more time back here. See? Those are fingers, dude. Those are fingers. Those are fingers. What the fuck? What the fuck? What is it? I swear, if anyone can figure it out, I'd be all ears. But look, alright? Within the first few hours, dude, it had a couple thousand views. And it got to 2.8. Now, it's been up for days. And it still ain't got no higher than 2.8. But then there's these kid TikToks that they're all over the place. Little children pulling up their shirt, talking about, do you think I'm fat? I do. They pull up their little toothpick twig kid. It's like, the fuck, girl, you know you ain't. Get the fuck out of here with this shit. Get the fuck out of here with this shit. Little toothpick kid. Come on, man. You think you're fat? She's fishing for compliments is what she's fucking doing. I mean, she got to knock on somebody who's got some sort of disorder, you know, and then they see something that's not really there. You know, some of these kids, you can just tell when they're fishing for compliments or if there's really something wrong with them. Then this girl, man, sorry, this child, she was like 9, no more than 11. TikTok's terrible. Hey, squirrel, do you want the rest of my banana? Do you want my banana? Do you want my banana? Wait, it's been sitting here for a minute. Nope. I'll pile it up on your thing anyway. What about you? You want some banana? No? Oh, after they touched it, it's soggy. It's soggy. It's soggy, Nana. Ew. Ew. PlayBoi. Ew. Ew. Hi. Trick or treat. Good morning to ya. You want some brekkie? Yes. Would you like a peanut? Trick or treat. Alright, PlayBoi. We hanging up for real this time. For real this time. We hanging up for real this time. We hanging up for real this time. Alright, and yeah, I'm gonna smoke one last ciggy and I'm gonna go in there until we get some more peanuts for lunch. Yep, because I do want to do a little trick-or-treat video with them for Halloween. Yes. Little trick-or-treat. Trick-or-treat Halloween. All their costumes are the same. But I don't mind. I don't mind. Squirrels by day and be children at night. That's what it'll be tomorrow, PlayBoi. That's what it'll be. That's what it will be. Click the like button. We don't fucking stop. Click that damn button. Just click it, click it, click it, click it, click it, click. Just click it, click it, click it, click it. Take your little finger and click it. Scroll down and find the like button. It doesn't matter. Who's fighting? Nothing. Just click it, click it, click it, click it, click it, click it. No, for real though, Dan Clemente, you'd be watching that stranger's hands. You wouldn't have your back turned toward them, looking in the camera. Like, oh, strange. This strange person. Look how strange. And then you run and tell the judge you're afraid for your life. I'm sorry, but it don't work that way. You're trying to diminish the shit people go through when they're really afraid for their life. You guys are tying up the courts with your frivolous bullshit. It needs to stop. And they're making a mockery of us. People wonder why Americans are so fucking goddamn weak. Everybody walks all over us. Everybody walks all over us, expecting the upper hand. And it's like, dude, what? Jesus. I ain't getting into it. I'm not getting into it. Hang your honor out, Playboy. That's what's up. We stopping. I know we don't want to stop, but goddamn it, make it fucking stop. We're gonna hang it up. Because we're getting the flock out of here. Yup. What's up, Tyrant? Oh, you want an almond? Here, Tyrant. You are a tyrant. Oh, you just get chased off. They make me laugh. I love them so much. Thank you. They really ain't been biting me lately either. It's great. It's great. It's fucking great. It's great. It's great. Alright. Been real. Deuces. TTU. Squirrely Brigade like Wovio. Yes. Yes. Be a squirrely neighbor. Be a squirrely neighbor. For real. Click the subscribe button. Coming. I'm almost to 700. You know, I'm almost there. Come on. Give me up over that G. And then I can live stream the squirrels. I can live stream them. I can live stream them with the G. I can live stream the squirrels, Playboy. And that's what we'll do. Because you know what? I will sit here for hours and y'all can keep me company. You can keep me company. And I won't be able to pause like I do. Because I do that. I pause. That's why I worry about the audio. Because they pause it. I saw you. Hi, squirrel. Hello. Trick or treat? He keeps peeking. Oh, he keeps on peeking through the corner. Where'd you go? Hey, there you go. Did you get it? Did you see him? Is there another one, I wonder? I'm running out of nuts. Oh, every time I stand up. It's every time. Alright. I'm gonna get their piles out there, Playboy. I'm gonna get their piles out. I'm getting the piles out. Get in the piles out. Get in the piles out. Get them out. Get them out. Get them out. Get them out. Alright. I'm gonna hang it up for real this time. We out this piece, and it's been real. Click on that subscribe button down there and stay tuned if you want to see more. The saga always continues here at the Peanut Butter House. The Peanut Butter House. The Peanut Butter